Speaking of electric stuff, electric vehicles, how about a mega battery grid from a company you may have heard of, Tesla? You probably saw some of those stories about the big energy issue in Texas when things got cold. Tesla increased commitment to Texas, as you know, Cybertruck, Austin, space.
Yes.
All the Elon things connecting to Texas at the moment. Well, here we have a secret mega battery getting plugged into the Texas grid. The utility scale battery located outside of Houston will connect to the same grid that faltered in February's freeze. It is a mega giant battery. All right, I'm going to tell you something. 100 megawatt energy storage project. Look how they just roll up, big battery style. You know what you can do with 100 megawatts, Will?
What's that?
Oh, how about power 20,000 homes on a hot summer day? I said 20,000 homes.
Wow.
I need this type of stuff for the mining rig, you know. 20,000 homes on a hot summer day. 100 megawatt.
Yeah.
That's lovely. Anyway, they weren't necessarily trying to advertise it. Apparently, like someone saw a Tesla logo on one of the workers' hard hats, and they, you know, they were
Tesla.
They were snooping around.
Yeah.
They were snooping around. Property records on file with the Brazoria County show Gambit shares the same address as a Tesla facility near the company's auto plant in Fremont. This is the company called Gambit, associated with Tesla, or a subsidiary. Executives from Tesla did not respond to multiple requests for comments. So I don't know. Is this part of the future? Is this how Texas potentially avoids such a thing happening in the future? Storing more energy? That's what you can do with batteries, Will. I don't know if you knew that.
Yeah. I mean, it's nice to have Tesla in your state.
Nearby.
Yeah.
You just call them up.
Like, hey, can you supply us?
Well,
with
I
some
gotta imagine, even if you're Elon and you're sitting there and it's the massive power outage and it's affecting you, and you're like, wait a sec.
Yeah.
Can we get some battery? Like, you just pick up the phone. You're like, I got these batteries. Why don't we?
Yeah, I have a solution right here. You can warm up some houses.
I suppose battery tech on that scale, though, you have to imagine difficult stuff as far as manufacturing is concerned.
Right.
That level of volume. But if anybody could figure it out, I suppose they could, because they're selling some cars, and those cars all have batteries. If someone can figure it out, maybe they can. Yeah. Anyway, that's a lot of power.